Where are we going?
Max, we gotta visit Max. You gotta tell Brian where Max is. Take pictures.
So that was on the other part, actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Garbage.
Well, you know it's bad. This is the longest I've ever been.
T-I-double-G-R, and being safe is what Tiggers like best. So please stay in your seats with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And grown-up types, please watch your little kids. Teaching your friend, ta-ta for now.
Nosotros somos unos apasionados de la seguridad. Por tanto, permanezcan sentados. No vayan a sacar las manos o los brazos, los pies o las piernas fuera del vehículo. Y cuide a los pequeñitos.
Well, he's up there.
A bear? No. Bison. Is he a bison? Yeah.
One blustery day in the Hundred Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of fun.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday! Well, take
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious! I'm Tigger! Right this way! Steel running, beware, beware. Heffalumps and woozles, heffalumps and woozles. Steel running, beware.
Ah, yes, okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You'll find that they love it. It's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh.
Hooray! Happy birthday!
I guess we did.
I'm sure you'll find mine delicious.
Goodness gracious.
You'll never guess what it is.
We gotta go again then.
The bestest presents.
Oh, that was fun.
Okay, now we gotta go through the slime again. That's what he said. Look at that. Love it. Ask her. She'll tell me. Ask her. Here, we'll be quiet so that you can
Oh, it doesn't.
And if she does this, it'll watch.
Yeah.
One blustery day, in Hundred Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey. Happy Wednesday! We'll take a picnic!
First the wind, and now this.
This is fun. Goodness gracious.
My name's Tigger! Follow me right this way! Steal honey! Beware! Beware! Heffalumps and woozles! Heffalumps and woozles! Steal honey! Beware! Beware!
Yep, there it is.
What a wonderful dream! Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh.
Happy birthday! Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hip, hip, hooray.
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present.